Station calling on 620. Here is 2 North America 750, Ohio, USA calling. 750, 2 North America, 2 NA 750, USA calling. Standing by for you.
Okay, 2 750 North America. Good afternoon, thank you very much. You see that here 56, the name Charlie could be QTH Canary Islands, over.
QSL, my location is Ohio, USA. Your signal report is 5657, some QSB there. QSL?
QSL, is possible, can you repeat your name, please, over?
Roger that. What is your complete call for my records? Complete call for my records, please.
Okay, no problem. My call sign, 34 Sugar Delta 117, 34 HB 117. The name Tony, I spell Tango, Selva Yankee, QTH, is Canary Islands, the Canary Islands, over.
Roger, thank you very much for the call from the Canary Islands. Very good. My very first island division, except for the UK. Thank you very much. Very good signal here. You sounded very good. My compliments on your station. You are 5758 with minor QSB there. Okay, back to you.
Thank you, no problem. If possible, can you repeat your name? What's your name, over?
Oh, QSL, my apologies. My name is Ernie Echo, Romeo November India Echo. Echo, Romeo November India Echo. I'm located in southwestern Ohio, USA. QSL?
Okay, no problem. Sorry for my English. Thank you very much for the contact you have in my log. Good day for you. Bye-bye there. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the call from the Canary Islands. 73s, my friend, and have a great DX day. 2 North America 750, saying 73s and good numbers. Bye-bye.
73, bye-bye.
Very nice. A contact with the Canary Islands. Very good. Sounded very good here. Thank you, YouTube. Hope you enjoyed my contact with the Canary Islands from Ohio.